guys, what's up? Welcome on section 51. This is DozGeek, and I'm always delighted. It's always a pleasure to see you back on section 51 to spend a new moment. And you will see today, this is another huge subject, another big subject with some new informations, some new mysteries, some unexplained things. And you know that we like all that stuff on section 51, not only UFO sightings, but all that kind of stuff in the field of science, of fantasy, of science fiction. That's always very intriguing to explore. I think that's always positive to explore new things and to learn new things. Even if some part of these things are not always true, but never mind, after all. I like also to read some cool stories. And let's see today, let's see together if what we are going to read is a real story, or is it just some pure fantasy? Okay? So if you are ready, please let me invite you to go with me on the web to discover this new article right now on section 51. Okay, so we are back this time on the website of Ancient Files. The website is called newsintact.com. The title of this new article is Bizarre Phenomenon: Pyramids around the world suddenly beaming energy towards mysterious space cloud. Wow, that's very huge if it's real. And it was an article published on June the 9th of 2020. We don't know the name of the writer, but maybe that's not very important in this case. For the longest time, conspiracy theorists have been reporting the huge interstellar clouds, dust, that passes through solar systems at their own will. But recently, NASA themselves confirmed this theory back in December of 2009, which completely offset every scientist on the planet researching this subject. Aptly named local interstellar clouds, one of these is supposedly going to pass our solar system by in the near future. And the closest one is around 30 light years wide, and it's made both out of hydrogen and helium atoms that vibrate off of 6,000 degrees Celsius heat. So what's interesting about these clouds is the dust that surrounds it, which shouldn't be able to stick to it in that environment. The fluff, as scientists ended up naming it, is believed to be magnetized to the cloud to the point where it cannot let go even if it wanted to, thus resisting the incredible pressure that it emanates. You can see on the photo this strange beam of light coming out of the pyramid. Theorists all around the globe believe that these clouds are actually magnetized towards us by the pyramids, which have been seen attracting solar storms, earthquakes, and even cosmic activity towards them. If this is true, then maybe this is the reason why the pyramids were made in ancient times by the aliens. Wow, but this is a bit short article, I think. Don't you know? Don't you believe that it's a bit short? Because we don't have another information. I want to know, I need more information about that subject. And I found another article on another website. It was an article written on February 2012 on the website kissfm969.com, and it was about world's pyramids beaming energy to mysterious space cloud, written by Dallas Chambers. What is the NASA cover-up? A strange photon cloud that has completely engulfed our solar system. A photon cloud. Exiting the matrix into the photon belt. One ring to rule them all. So this is what could be a photon cloud around the Earth. We have entered the photon belt. Okay. And this is a map. In 1961, astronomers discovered by means of satellite instrumentation what appeared to be an unusual nebula. We normally understand the nebula phenomenon as a vast cloud-like mass of gas or dust. This one, however, appeared to have anomalous properties and was named the Golden Nebula. This is I don't know on this website if this is pure fiction or if this is a real story. Here that could be our solar system with the Earth and other solar systems, the Seven Sisters Pleiades. Is it real? Our Earth rotates around our Sun 365 days for one complete revolution, okay. Then our Sun rotates around Alcyone, the brightest star of the Pleiades constellation. One complete revolution of our solar system around Alcyone takes approximately 26,000 years. In addition, Alcyone and our solar system are revolving around the galactic core, central region, or our Milky Way galaxy. Our one complete revolution takes approximately 225 million years. The photon belt is the galactic plane alignment of hundreds of billions of Milky Way star systems. Our solar system orbits across this photon belt twice in approximately 26,000 years. Okay, I follow you. This great crossing thus occurs every 13,000 years. The great purification naturally occurring at this time is the result of the surge in brilliant photonic light from the greater central sun out through the conduit of the galactic plane photon belt. There are times during our 26,000-year revolution around Alcyone that our solar system sits either partly or fully within the photon belt, referred to as periods of light, and greater periods of time where our solar system is not within this photon belt, referred to as periods of darkness. our solar system is now moving into Pleiades photon belt once again, into another 2000 years of light. In December solstice 2012, our solar system has fully entered within this photon belt field. Likewise, Earth is now entirely within the photon belt. It has been intensifying for decades, changing the atmospheres on all the planets in our solar system and accelerating the rate of change in human consciousness. The global revolution in consciousness with the computer internet revolution has actually been in resonance with the surging intelligence in the source field. This photonic energy is the highest form of light that is known. Wow, this is the Force. Let the Force be with us. The light of source carrying a sentient supraconscious intelligence coded in the frequencies, just as a laser light through fiber optics can carry thousands of videos and phone conversations coded in the light. Modern science has only recently rediscovered what the ancients already knew. This understanding of galactic light was known anciently to the Gnostics. The 2000-year-old Gnostic text discovered in Nag Hammadi, Egypt in 1945 reveals the cosmic understanding that the brilliant light plasma at the central core of our galaxy is actually a sentient intelligence. Furthermore, these Gnostic texts tell us that the physical world we inhabit came into form as the intelligent expression of the plasma light or ether spiraling out from the galactic central sun, except from galactic light. Leading experts of both quantum science and Mayan calendar are saying that our DNA will be upgraded, coded with intelligence, from the center of our galaxy, the greater central sun. The stellar activations have already begun and will continue through 2012 to 2017. Stellar activation occurs when our solar system lines up with the higher frequency bands of Pleiades, star Alcyon, Sirius, Arcturus, Orion, and Andromeda. The frequency bands then merge and pass through Earth. If Earth is out of balance within itself due to abuse from invader ETs, the Cabal, and humankind's behavior, the higher frequencies will cause an Armageddon. Okay. That's very huge and also interesting. This electromagnetic energy is facilitating a shift in consciousness, a divine shift of the level of awareness of humanity from an egoic third-dimensional state of fear to a consciousness level of love and oneness, a fifth-dimensional state of being. That's very interesting. At first sight, I thought it was pure fiction, but by reading the article, I was progressively, gradually interested with it. What is the date of all this? Maybe it was in 2012? It was written... No, by Azur Anna. What is the date? On November. And I don't have the year, but of course, obviously, it must be November of 2012. But that's very interesting. And so, on the other article, so it was we come back to the photon cloud. NASA has done its best to keep it a secret, but some scientists have come forward and leaked the secret. Now, as this mystery cloud approaches, the Sun and planets are all seeing effects in measurable ways. What's even more interesting is as the cloud invades our space, some of the world's pyramids are beginning to generate intense energy. And the article is also, the date is also on 2012. So all this started in 2012. Several incidents have been documented of people actually seeing visible beams of raw power projecting skywards from the pyramids. Sounds pretty science fiction, right? Yes, at first, yes, we could say that. Well, this comes at the same time all these strange noises began and recordings started popping up. Yes, I remember some people were saying that it was the trumpets of the apocalypse. The phenomena including measurements of gigantic electrification of the turbulent from the Sun to the likes of which we have never seen seem to circle around this mysterious photon cloud that some have dubbed a potential doomsday space event. The pyramids seemed to have been awakened by some supernatural force like we have never seen. And we have some citation. Tourists screamed, others shot hasty videos with their camera phones as the Mayan pyramid rumbled. But no earthquake followed. Instead, a brilliant beam of light shot skyward into space as awed onlookers gasped, wondering what it meant. Ironically, this is not the first time we have seen such beams of energy, vortexes or whirlwinds. Many more have been documented, and you can see those, as well as details from NASA and the European Space Agency warning the world for the past 2 years of the possible catastrophes that could be approaching in the coming years. We are on the website before it's news. But the Mayan pyramid of Kukulkan transmitting a raw column of incredible energy into space was just the latest pyramid to do so. In 2009 and 2010, the Bosnian pyramid of the Sun beamed a pencil-thin ray of pure energy towards space. Recently, the Chinese government began closely monitoring the Xianyang pyramid for signs of activity. Last year, a team of scientists investigated the pyramid and believe it may have extraterrestrial origins. And what was the date of this full story? It was 2012 also. Okay, so we have the full story. The pyramids could be natural reservoirs of Earth's energy and advanced capacitors engineered to draw upon the planet's magnetic force field, are releasing and blasting pure energy into the drifting space cloud, engulfing our defenseless planetary system. The predicted harmonics have been heard, recorded and heatedly discussed since the spring of 2011. Recently, some recordings have appeared on YouTube from countries all over the globe, posted by puzzled, sometimes frightened people demanding to know what the sounds are. And I agree, I have to admit that I also watched some of these videos on YouTube, and I wondered what it was. What could be the origin of all these harmonics, these strange sounds heard in the atmosphere, in the clouds. While some are undoubtedly fakes and hoaxes, others are genuine recordings of subterranean and atmospheric harmonics. And this is Professor Dr. Elchin Khalilov who discusses the harmonics. Possible cause of these sounds may lie at the Earth's core. The fact is that the acceleration of the drift of the Earth's north magnetic pole, which increased more than 5-fold between 1998 and 2003, and is at the same level today, points to intensification of energy processes in the Earth's core, since it is processes in the inner and outer core that form the Earth's geomagnetic field. The stations, we have geophysical stations which are deployed in Istanbul, Kiev and Baku, Islamabad and Yogyakarta, with the first and last one being separated by a distance of about 10,000 kilometers. The harmonics, yes, the harmonics are emanating from the Earth's core, as the good professor theorizes. Similar sounds are sometimes heard before great earthquakes strike. This time, however, the sounds are not presaging massive earthquakes, but are being generated by the twisting magnetic field and the pulsing permutations of the spinning Earth's core warping parts of the mantle. Everything is reacting to the arrival of the huge photonic cloud that invaded our region of the Milky Way galaxy. Dmitriev warns to prepare for the worst global catastrophe, not in tens of years from now, but in ones of years. And as the Earth's wailing rises into the sky, the pyramids thrust titanic bolts of energy far into space. But what Dmitriev? Who is Dmitriev? Maybe the top of the article. Dr. Alexei Dmitriev, who is an astrophysicist. In Planetophysical State of the Earth and Life. Alexei Dmitriev is claiming that what is happening is worse, much worse than NASA's and the ESA's warnings. Our entire solar system has entered an immense, potentially deadly interstellar energy cloud, and the pyramids are reacting to unknown alien cloud. And what he's saying is very powerful. He has revealed that both Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 probes reported the entire solar system is at risk. And Merav Ofer, a NASA heliophysics guest investigator from George Mason University, claims this interstellar energy cloud is unstable and turbulent. And the Russian scientists asserts this photonic cloud of energy is exciting the atmospheres of the planets and especially our Sun. It causes the Sun to become more active, resulting in greater output and instability. It can cause core mutations, anomalous field vortices and polar magnetic permutations, creating superstorms, wild weather swings, and most amazing of all, atmospheric and subterranean harmonics capable of being heard all across the planet. And that leads us to the pyramids as natural reservoirs of Earth's energy. Wow, that's very powerful what we have been reading today in this video. That's very interesting and very intriguing. I'm sure that you will like what you watched today. I'm just amazed at what I read because I was not aware of all this, and apparently we have a lot of scientists who are working on the subject, who are making studies, and this is a very huge subject. What do you believe? What do you think of all this? Do you think that, as they are saying, the pyramids all around the world are some tools, some energetic tools, which are conducting these electromagnetic fields? Are they conducting all these electromagnetic reactions linked with the photon cloud, the photon belt in space? That's very strange, and at the same time very that's amazing. Okay guys, as always, I don't say that it could be true, it could be real, but with all the informations that we have to say that it could be useful to take all this in consideration, okay? So please, let me your comments, let me your reactions, your point of view in the comment sections below the video. I would be very curious to know what are your reactions on the subject. Thank you for watching. Please like and share the video if you liked what you just watched on Section 51. This was DozGeek. You are free to watch all the videos on our channel as usual. Until the next video, I will wish you live long and prosper, stay safe, and next time a new video on Section 51. This was DozGeek on Section 51. Stay safe and keep watching Section 51. Keep looking at the sky. Bye bye.